The Voyager 2 space probe was designed to study the largest planets in the solar system. Equipped with an impressive array of scientific instruments, it has provided science with an enormous amount of invaluable information. The spacecraft was launched in August 1977. Like its twin, Voyager 1, the probe was to take advantage of the relatively rare position of the planets, occurring once every 176 years, and fly first near Jupiter and then past Saturn. Unlike its twin, Voyager 2 changed its trajectory, allowing it to also visit Uranus and Neptune. The probe flew past Jupiter in July 1979 and past Saturn in August 1981. In both cases, it transmitted many stunning images back to Earth. After another 4.5 years, it finally came close to the mysterious Uranus. At this point, Voyager 2 was about 2.9 billion kilometers from Earth. The probe discovered 11 new satellites of the planet, which were later named after female characters from the works of William Shakespeare. Among them were Juliet, Desdemona, and Ophelia. Excellent quality photographs of the previously known moons of Uranus were also taken. Of particular interest to astronomers was Miranda, which looks as if it has disintegrated into pieces several times and reassembled into a whole. During its rapid flyby of Uranus, Voyager 2 studied its rings. 9 of them were already known to astronomers, and 2 more were discovered by the probe itself. It turned out that they are markedly different from those that adorn Jupiter and Saturn, and relatively young. Perhaps they are the remnants of disintegrated and almost atomized satellites. The photos taken by Voyager capture a rather unimpressive light blue planet. According to the probe's measurements, the maximum wind speed in its atmosphere was about 720 kilometers per hour. There was also evidence of some sort of ocean filled with a hot and dense liquid composed of water, ammonia, and other compounds. The Voyager 2 instruments showed that Uranus has an atmosphere similar to those of Jupiter and Saturn. It too consists mostly of hydrogen and helium, but it has methane, which gives the gas shell a light blue color. Astronomers knew even before the Voyager mission that the planet was heavily sideswiped, but the probe discovered another oddity of the ice giant. It turned out that the magnetic field of Uranus deviated from the axis of rotation at 59 degrees and does not pass through the center, as in all normal celestial bodies. Because of this, it has a very heterogeneous structure, and scientists to this day do not know what this situation can be explained. In February 1986, Voyager performed a gravitational maneuver around Uranus and went to Neptune, the farthest planet in the solar system. The probe arrived at the last planned point of its route in August 1989, having traveled a total of 7 billion kilometers after starting from the surface of the Earth. Here it found 6 new moons, but the greatest interest to astronomers were photos of Triton, the largest satellite of Neptune, which was discovered earlier. Scientists were presented with images of a frozen celestial body with a complex geologic history. They were able to discern active geysers, ejecting nitrogen gas into space. The relatively high density of Triton and its retrograde orbit indicate that this unusual satellite was not born near Neptune, but was captured by it. Flying at an altitude of only 4,800 kilometers above the upper edge of Neptune's atmosphere, Voyager 2 measured the wind speed in it. It was an impressive 100 kilometers per hour. It turned out that the basis of the gas shell, as on all the outer planets of the solar system, are hydrogen and helium, although the pleasant cobalt blue color, as in the previous case, due to the presence of methane. At first, astronomers thought that on Neptune, too cold for serious atmospheric disturbances, but Voyager 2 detected there powerful storms, the largest of which, the size of the Earth, was called the Great Dark Spot. It, by the way, was very short-lived. After 5 years, the Hubble Space Telescope did not even notice a trace of it. Voyager 2 also photographed 4 previously unknown rings of Neptune. After spending 12 years in space and visiting the largest planets of the solar system, Voyager 2 has fulfilled the main plan of its mission. It has allowed scientists to solve many of the mysteries associated with these enigmatic giants. Now it is moving slowly by cosmic standards beyond our corner of space and will eventually leave it for good. Even today, 43 years after its launch, Voyager 2 continues to make discoveries and keep in touch with Earth. It has already written its name in history, becoming one of the most successful spacecraft created by mankind. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to learn more about space.